feel it pulling up. Yes, this is the magnet. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mount another strap over here, as later on we have to lift the frame to get the engine off. At least BMW say that. So I think there is enough space underneath, but better safe than sorry. We go underneath here. And there. Oh, so. And then do it like this. Let's see if it's, yes, that's better. Okay, these out of the way. Oh. These out of the way. Let's see, guys, then we take this strap. I think it's take this one. Let's see if we can take it like this. Okay, well, hopefully. Yeah, I think. Let's. This one. So, yes. This, yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. So, for now, lower it a bit. Yes. Okay. Okay, gonna grab a tie wrap. So. Yes. One over here. So guys, now I'm sure that yeah, that's it. It's out of the way. Okay, let's see. Yes, this one. And that one. Okay. The clutch cable. Mount over here. Okay, guys, because on the new second-hand engine, this engine part is a bit scratched. So I want to get this part off, and later on change it onto that engine. And because I don't want to damage it, I'm going to take it off now. Is that difficult? Not at all. Watch. Okay, these. Easy. Very easy. Let's see what it is. Maybe 30 could be, and ladies and gentlemen, it is 30. Okay. Up. 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 No. I think they thought they had to hang an elephant onto it. And this one also up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take this one. Okay. We got bakje, as we call it in Dutch. Hey, come here. Start over here. Okay. Over and then over here. Okay. Over here. Okay. That's a shorter one, if I'm right. Oh, oops, come. Okay. Man, oh man. Holy shit, that much. I think it's a tiny bit of overkill. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Now we're gonna wiggle it off. Screwdriver underneath here. Yes. Oh shit. Well, oops. Over here there is a nice spot to loosen it, and then over here maybe. Yes, there he goes. Be careful, because be a magnet which pulls it back, and before you know, you pinch your fingers. See? Yeah, feel it pulling up. Yes, this is the magnet. Oop, careful. This, let's see, yes. Okay. Looks nice. Get it carefully out of the way. This is pusher rod for the clutch. Clutch is on the other side. Let's see this one. Okay. Okay. See, better take this out. It's wiggling the engine, maybe it falls out. So now, I think I'm gonna take that push rod out too. Now, slowly we're getting there. Surely but slowly. Guys, I have to take this cover off too. It's scratched on the second-hand engine, so I think this is also 30. Yep, that's my 30. But yeah. Hop. Yes. Gotta move on. Okay. This one. And this one. This one. So curious, guys, when opening this engine. And this one. Okay. 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 Hope. Let's see if we can take it off. Nope. Need a special. Yes. This side, you always have to be careful. Watch. This comes over there, this one, and this one. Those. Now we're gonna see how we can lower the engine. Not that difficult, I think. A lot of things out of the way.